You still shouldn't have been driving at 120 miles an hour with a 3-year-old in the car.
Just before 10 p.m. on May 6, 2026, a Jacksonville Sheriff's Office officer spotted a vehicle weaving through traffic on Interstate 10 near Chaffee Road in Jacksonville, Florida.
So anyway, 120 miles an hour in and out of traffic.
Did you say 120?
120, yeah. Steady 120.
Oh, shoot.
Driving patterns, in and out of traffic, almost causing a couple wrecks. She'd get right up on them and snatch over, you know what I'm saying? Talk to her in here. She said she just come from Hawkers, getting food, got to get home to feed the babies. That's why she was in a hurry. Marijuana coming from out the car. When she rolled the window down, she said, I smoke, but not in here, or something like that. I think her statement was.
Mm-hmm.
And then watery, bloodshot eyes, a little slurred speech, smell of alcohol.
She's in the backseat?
Put her in the front passenger.
Yeah, she her kids
we got
back
the
there.
keys.
Kids back there.
Oh, there's kids in the car?
What? Yeah, 3-year-old.
Oh, shoot. Is everything all right today? All right. Do you know why you got pulled over?
Because I was speeding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know how fast you were going?
Fast. I was just trying to get home, and I thought that there's somebody trying to put me off, and there's no real good results.
Yeah, you were doing 120 miles an hour. The little one's in here?
He's back there, yeah.
Hi.
For now.
Hi. Okay. So, what was such the hurry?
I'm just trying to get home to my other kid, too.
Where's that?
Hot dinner here for everyone.
All right. So you went all the way to...
Oh, downtown Oak Coast?
Yeah. Why'd you go so far?
I work over there, and we just really like their food, so...
Okay. You just went over there, picked up the food, and was heading back?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't stop anywhere else?
I stopped at Pet Supermarket before I went to Hawkers to get some dog food somewhere.
And then just out of curiosity, I mean, obviously, here's the question is, what have you been drinking today?
I had a couple of glasses of wine after work when I got off around 6:30ish, but then I waited before I left around like 8 to get the food because it was ready by 8:30. So
Okay. Okay. All right. So a couple of glasses of wine today after you got off work. And out of curiosity also, do you have a Florida medical marijuana card?
My husband does, but
Your husband does?
He does, but I do not know.
Okay. And is there any particular reason why we're smelling marijuana so much?
It was in the car earlier, but I do not have any on me right now.
No. Okay. But you smoked some.
I did not smoke it, but it was in the car earlier. Like, I didn't smoke any of it.
Is the little one okay over there?
Now, yeah.
Okay.
He woke up from a nap a while ago.
Obviously, the speeding and the driving pattern going in and around traffic is really, really dangerous.
Yeah, I understand.
How old is the child?
He's 3.
He's 3. You think that's a safe way of driving?
I don't know.
No.
I didn't know that it was an officer behind me or anything. So I understand that that's not an excuse, but I know.
Yeah. So, all right. So, with that being said, I mean, we can clearly smell the alcohol. Okay, and obviously we're concerned because we're also smelling the marijuana and everything.
Yeah, that was in the car earlier.
Okay, so at this point, what I'm going to be doing is conducting a quick DUI investigation. Okay, I need to make sure you're okay in operating the vehicle, especially you got a 3-year-old in the car.
No, that's understandable.
Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing that DUI investigation. There's some questions that I'm going to have to ask you. Since I have you out of the vehicle now, okay, I'm going to advise you of your rights. You're not under arrest.
Okay.
It's just,
I understand that's a little scary when you say things like that.
Yeah, but that's why I'm making sure you understand you're not under arrest.
Okay.
But there are a bunch of other questions that I need to ask you and just make sure everything's okay. At any time, consult with an attorney. You understand your rights? You understand you're not under arrest?
I understand.
All right, just doing a quick DUI investigation.
I understand. It's just scary.
Yeah, well, I don't know if this is that scary because we're just having a conversation right now. You're doing 120 with a 3-year-old. I think that's more scary. All right, so here's the thing. With my observations of you, they're very concerning. I'm concerned, okay? And based on what I have, I don't believe you should have been driving. That's one. But that put aside, you still shouldn't have been driving at 120 miles an hour with a 3-year-old in the car, okay? Now, you've heard also of the super speeder law, right?
I haven't heard of that one particularly.
Super speeder law?
No.
It's been all over the news for like almost at least the last 6 months for sure.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah. So, based on everything here today, unfortunately, you're going to be placed under arrest. Okay?
I have a child at home. Is there any? I'll pay any.
Hold on a second. How old is the child at home?
He's 10.
Who's with the 10-year-old?
He's at home alone.
You left a 10-year-old home alone.
I was just gonna get him some food. I know. I understand.
Okay, first of all, is there any other family we can call?
I can call my dad.
Okay.
But is there any way I can go home?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I pay any fines.
No. It doesn't work that way, unfortunately. It's not like you can pay the officers the fine. No, we can't do that. Okay, so we're going to get a hold of Dad. He's going to come here. He's going to take the 3-year-old, and then we'll make sure he gets to the house with the 10-year-old as fast as possible. Fair enough? Okay. I need you to turn around, put your hands behind your back for me, please.
Could I call my dad? Or?
We're gonna make that happen. Put your hands together, interlock your fingers. There you go. Stay right there for me, okay? I'm gonna secure you real quick, and then the first thing we're gonna do is get your phone, and we're gonna get a hold of your dad. This car reeks. Oh, there it is. Yep, that's fresh. Yep. That's fresh too. Holy smokes. She had them all in her purse.
The 29-year-old mother was arrested and now faces 4 criminal charges. 2 counts of DUI, 1 elevated for having a minor in the car, and a blood alcohol level of 0.15 or higher. Dangerous, excessive speeding under Florida's superspeeder law, and marijuana possession, along with citations for an improper lane change and an open container. A breathalyzer recorded her blood alcohol levels at 0.15 and 0.14, nearly twice the legal limit. Her 3-year-old, who was in the back seat throughout the stop, was removed from the vehicle safely. The 10-year-old she had reportedly left home alone was also located. She pleaded not guilty to all counts, with arraignment set for July 2026.